recording. Here's my friend Patrick teaching you how to do a kickflip. Oh, okay. Now here's the real person who's going to teach you how to do a kickflip.
No.
Okay. When you're doing a kickflip, it's one of the most fundamental flip tricks. Yeah, fundamental. You have your foot right here. Of course, you probably watch all these stupid YouTube videos that say pop and flick.
Pop and
Flicking does not work.
Pop and flicking, pop and flicking, pop and flicking, pop and flicking.
Pop and flick at the same time, but jump with your board. So you need to be like that. And the tricks you'll have to know to do kickflip is an ollie, the most easy trick. Okay.
Can you do a kickflip again, sir?
What? No, I'm not doing any kickflip.
Please. The people watching want to see another kickflip.
All right.
Yeah.
Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yeah.